Hello friends, I am going to teach you science part first, lesson number first, gravitation. And from this gravitation, I will teach you numericals. Second numerical, the radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. If the mass of A is ma, what must be the mass of B so that the value of G on B is half that of its value on A. Now according to the given information, we have given here first radius of planet A. Therefore we write RA, radius R, and for planet A we write RA is half. See this, the radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. Therefore we write here RB. Now we take this 2 to the left side and this RA to the right side. Therefore this is our first value of RB upon RA. Now secondly we have given, see here, the value of G, that is this value of G on B, that is GB is means is equal to half that of its value on A. Therefore this is GB is equal to 1/2 GA. Therefore now here we take this GA to the left side. Therefore this GB upon GA is equal to 1 upon 2. Now these are our two values, means RB upon RA is equal to 2 and GB upon GA is equal to 1 upon 2. Now here we write formula for this G, means acceleration due to gravity. G is equal to capital G into capital M upon, see this, R square. This is our formula for this acceleration due to gravity. Now we take this R square and this G, capital G, to the left side, and therefore we write this way. We take this to the left side but we write this way, M is equal to G R square upon capital G. Now here, see this, now we have given here, if the mass of planet A is ma and therefore mass of planet B is mb. Therefore by using this formula we write mb upon ma is equal to mb. If here we write b, then for this we write gb, and for this r we write rb square. Same way we write g as it is. Now division, we write simplest way for our convenience, this way, division. Then for ma we write ga into ra square upon g. Now we take multiplicative inverse of this. Therefore mb upon ma is equal to this gb into rb square upon g. Multiplicative inverse of this, we take this denominator as numerator and this numerator as denominator, ra square, this way. Now here g cancel. Now here mb upon ma is equal to gb upon ga into rb upon ra and whole bracket square. Now we put values of series GB upon GA 1 upon 2 and value of RB upon RA, that is 2 bracket square. Now here 1 upon 2 into 2 square means 4. Therefore here MB upon MA is equal to 1 upon 2 into 4. Therefore 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Therefore we take this MA to the right side. Therefore 2 into MA. Therefore finally this is our answer, and we say that the mass of planet B is 2 times the mass of planet A. This is our final answer. Friends, like, share, subscribe my channel and press notification button too.